Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually doing a box swap with another YouTuber. Her name is Thrifty Alice and I've left her information down below so that you can check out her Poshmark and her YouTube channel. Okay guys, let's get right into it. I really love how everything was packaged. She did a really great job with that. I really like the flamingos and the little bag that had the jewelry in it. This is all really great packaging, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. So I'm just opening up the rest of the items. Okay. So let's get into our first item, guys. It's a top from Old Navy. It's new with tags. It has some smocking. It's really cute. I really like the print. It's great. Looks like it would be great for spring. Very nice. Okay, so let's get into our next item. It's a Lauren Conrad top, and it's definitely more of a blouse. Definitely would be nice for work. I love the pink polka dots and the gray background. It's very nice. Okay, let's fold that up. On to the next. We have an unbranded top, but that's okay. It's color block and it has animal print, and I really like the different colors. I like the peach and the blue and the gray in that, and it's pretty soft. It's a very nice top. For our last clothing item, we have a sweater by Valerie Stevens, and I like the stripes on it. It's pretty nice. Looks like it would be really warm, especially good for this time of year. Hopefully we'll get some better weather soon. Right now the weather has been very cold where I live. Okay, let's get into the jewelry now. Okay, so our first item is a sterling silver pair of earrings. And we have some, I think they're feathers. Yep, there's a better view of them out of the plastic. These are very nice. Okay, let's go to our next item. This is a butterfly pin by Napier, and this is my favorite item from the haul today. It's a very beautiful pin. Just want to show you the back too. New in box, so that's great. Probably going to keep that item. Yep, there's another view of the front. Okay. So, let's go to our next item. This is an art glass necklace. I think, I'm not sure the brand, it might be handmade, but it's a very beautiful piece of glass with, I think, a hand-painted flower on it. It's very pretty. So there's that. And our last item is this necklace. Thrifty Alice actually sent me a cute sticker. Thank you. But let's look at the necklace. It's a little tangled, but I'll untangle that later. It's by New Directions, and it is new with tags. And I really do love the red and gold in this necklace. It's very pretty. It goes well together. Very nice. Yep, this would go great with a little black dress or maybe even casual outfits. Yep. So let's just put that back. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!